Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
The old traditions regarding the creation of marriage ties are not as distant as it might seem from the heights of modern technological progress. In China, what seemed to be unacceptable happened today. A young 25-year-old girl named Zhao Sui was forced to marry a 60-year-old man, only because of his wealth. But fortunately, the story was not so straightforward. 25-year-old Chinese woman Zhao Sui was from a poor family. Parents struggled to make ends meet. They had a son whom their parents could not marry, and all because of their daughter's lack of family. But no one wanted to tie family ties with the poor family. Then, the parents decided to marry Zhao Sui without any dowry. Upon learning of her parents' plans, Zhao became desperate, but could not do anything because she understood the hopelessness of her situation. She could only shed tears, but soon the situation began to change. In the process of preparing for the wedding and meeting her future spouse, her anxiety softened a little. She understood that the 60-year-old man is not at all the man who should be with her in family ties. Something in this old man betrayed a completely active and living person. Moreover, the girl even began to like him, which surprised her too. For his part, the groom showed concern and every respect for Zhao, as if trying to establish a sensual connection with her. And at some point, the girl's anxiety began to fade into the background. They found a worthy party from a fairly wealthy family. However, the groom had one drawback. He was already 60 years old. For the girl, this was a real tragedy because she did not want to connect her life with the old man. She tried to dissuade her parents from this venture, but they were adamant about them. Having been acquainted with the groom closer, the girl realized that as a person, he is pretty good. He was cheerful and energetic. He understood her well, despite his age. However, she could not think what he was hiding from her. Despite the fact that the character of the groom was to her liking, Zhao Sui was getting married with tears in her eyes. She could not accept the age of her groom. However, after the wedding, a real surprise awaited her. As it turned out, the husband was hiding his real age, but not much older than her chosen one. Thus, he wanted to check the future wife to find out how flexible she was, whether she disobeyed her parents. It was important for him to check what kind of wife she would be, and for this, he used makeup. Zhao Sui successfully passed the test. Such stories are increasingly found in different societies when people want to be confident in the feelings of partners. Such checks, of course, do not look the best, but the main thing is that in most cases they end in successful alliances. So Zhao and her lover formed a happy, full-fledged couple in which there is both trust and love.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.